Princess. Don't waste your tears on him.
You! Get out of here!
Hey, don't take it out on me. He's the creep. I never should have saved his life.
Saved his life?
Yeah, he owed me one. That's why he stood up for me.
But he didn't have to lie to me.
You are so right.
Forget about that guy. Forget about the way you fell into his eyes. Forget about his charms. Forget about the way he held you in his arms. Walking on air's obnoxious. The thrills, the chills will make you nauseous, and you'll never get enough. Just forget about love.
She's buying it. Now break with the magic.
Forget about romance. Forget about the way your heart begins to dance. Then you feel the blush when he's spouting out some sentimental mush. Love really is revolting. It's even worse than when you're molting. Enough of this fluff. Just forget about
I had
love.
almost forgotten the way it felt when he held out his hand for mine. My heart all aflutter.
Oh, how I shudder.
The first time we kissed.
It won't be missed. Forget about his touch.
I can't forget about
In the
his
scheme
touch.
of things, it doesn't matter much.
It matters so much.
You're better on your own. A meal becomes a banquet when you eat alone. Love's filled with compromises. And don't you hate those big surprises?
A cozy rendezvous.
Oh, please.
Candlelight for two.
Oh, jeez.
Look, you're calling my bluff. I can't
Just forget about love.
Jasmine, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have kept Iago a secret. Please,
Aladdin, you
I've
don't
gotta
have-
say this.
I can't forget about my heart.
I can't forget
and how
about
it
my
felt to fall for
heart.
you right from the start.
I'm still falling.
Whatever we may do,
Whatever we
you are
may
here for
do,
me, and I'll be there for you.
I'll be there
To wish, to want, to wander, to find the sun through rain and thunder.
a cozy rendezvous.
Yes, please.
Candlelight for two.
Oh, jeez. Enough is enough.
We can't forget about love.